How to buy Robux on PC. Hello everyone. Gear up, avatar fashionistas and game enthusiasts. This video shows you how to buy Robux on PC in under a minute. Robux is the in-game currency you can use to buy cool items, abilities, and game access on Roblox. Look for your Roblox balance in the top right corner of the Roblox website. It will display a number and a plus sign. Click on that Robux balance area in the shortcut to purchase in Robux. Then, there are many payment options that Roblox uses to get payments to buy Robux. For example, credit and debit cards, Roblox gift cards, or PayPal, or another popular online payment method. Clicking on your Robux balance opens a window with various Robux package options. Choose the package that fits your needs by considering the amount of Robux you want. You can optionally choose a very brief. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your purchase securely using your chosen payment method. Once you complete the purchase, your Robux balance will be updated and you're ready to spend. Now you can get those awesome items and power-ups. Happy shopping! Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Robux tips and tricks.